guys, how's it going? Welcome to my video. All right, so I'm gonna be putting up 3 or 4 videos today. Well, I'm gonna be doing a bunch of videos in succession. I've been pretty busy lately, just haven't been able to get to a lot of these tools that I bought. And we're talking about this HART right here. We're talking about this HART Multi-Tool, a deal for cutting, sanding, scraping, and grinding. 20-volt system, does not come with the battery. I think this cost me about 70 bucks. If you guys have this, definitely drop a comment in the comment section. Let us know whether this is a decent deal or not. What else? I have a bunch of HART products. I'll tell you guys what. I get so many comments trashing HART products. I'm not quite sure why. They're inexpensive. They're always there at Walmart. I've used them. The quality stuff, I like them. You guys have something to say about HART? Drop a comment in the comment section. I'm sure you guys do. Most of the time, always negative, always joking about stuff. I don't like buying stuff at the Home Depot because it's expensive. That's why I don't like buying stuff at the Home Depot. It's expensive, and I don't think they're any better than these tools that are sold at Walmart. You guys have these. If you guys are a HART fan, definitely drop a comment in the comment section. Let us know whether this is a decent. These are decent tools or not. Me personally, I buy stuff at Walmart. It's probably, to be honest with you, it's probably my favorite place to shop because it has everything. But we're doing an unboxing, and we're gonna pop a battery in, and we are going to test this out. If you guys have this, definitely drop a comment in the comment section. Let us know whether this is a decent product or not. It does not come with the battery and the charger, and it's kind of expensive. No, my personal thought is it's a little bit, 80 bucks for something like this without the battery or the charger is a little bit on the expensive side. Wow. No. Let me just correct myself. I wish that they actually included batteries. And anyway, I'm just yapping right now. Give me a sec. I'm going to take this out of the box. We're going to put a battery in, and we're going to see how this works. All right, guys? You guys have this? Drop a comment in the comment section. Let us know whether this is a decent product or not. All right, guys. So let's do this unboxing. Let's do this unboxing. Okay, packaging. All right, guys. So this is what it looks like, guys. All right. Pop the battery in. You got your switch right here. You got your different torque settings, I believe. It also comes with a couple of, what are these called? Like blades, I guess. They come with a couple of blades. I'll tell you guys why I bought this. All right, guys. I bought this specifically because my 08 Tahoe, the gas tank, should I just tell you that story? I'm gonna tell you guys that story anyway. All right, makes for an interesting story. Anyway, got an 08 Tahoe with a gas leak somewhere that's above it. I gotta drop the gas tank, full tank of gas. I gotta cut the metal strap because the bolt is just constantly turning because the threads are worn out on there. That's why I'm buying this, just to cut out that strap so that I could get it down, so that I could do a repair on it. But anyway, if you guys have this, drop a comment in the comment section. Let us know whether this is a decent deal or not. I'm going to show you, I'm going to put the blade in, and I'm going to show you guys how this actually works. So before I do that, I'm going to tell you guys what comes with it. It comes with this piece. It comes with this blade. It comes with a couple of sanders, and that actually connects to this. And it comes with one of these half circle blades. Not exactly what it. Don't exactly know what these are called, but let's see. All right, guys. So I was hoping to do this, to put one of these the blades in, but essentially it comes with one of these. What you gotta do is you gotta use the hex key to take this out to put the blade in. Unfortunately, they don't actually include the hex key with this. Maybe it's just the box. Maybe it's just this box that didn't include the hex key. I don't think it is because it was pretty sealed tight. But if you guys have this, drop a comment in the comment section, guys. Let us know whether it's a decent tool or not. I'm pretty sure it is. It does what it does. It's a reciprocating saw, essentially. But if you guys have this, drop a comment in the comment section. Let us know whether this is a decent deal or not. Let me see. Let me see if I pop the battery in, guys. You guys kind of know how it works, right? You guys actually know how it works, right? I mean, you put the battery in, I turn it on, this is the torque setting, and it does this buzzing thing. So yeah, that wasn't funny, guys, but that's essentially my review. If you see more of this review, I'm gonna have the battery in, I guess. I don't know, but it kind of sucks that it doesn't have the Allen key or whatever to take this out. I wanted to pop this in, put the battery in, and try it out. But essentially, you guys know how this works. I don't need to tell you guys how this works. It works the way it works. I've had other HART products. They're pretty decent. If this is a crappy review, leave a comment in the comment section if you guys think this is a crappy review. But I know I've seen these reviews that people go through every single thing, and you know how this works. Sorry, guys. This is not a joke channel, all right? This is a real review channel, and let me see if I put the battery in. All right, guys. So as you guys can see, I was able to get a battery from another review that I did on an impact gun from HART. But basically, here's how it works, guys. You pop it in. This is what it looks like, and there is a light which I like. There's a light which I like, and it seems pretty strong to me, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna get the work done with what I need to use this for. If you guys have a comment, leave a comment. Please subscribe, please give me a thumbs up, all that good stuff. Appreciate your time, all right, guys. Take care. Take care, guys.